Swift flow from the Hate consists of 3 falls, the only mesmerizing views you find in Bali. This is it, the Banyumala waterfall. Banyumala village is located at the bottom of the valley of Wanagiri village, Sukasada district, Buleleng Regency, Bali. Sukasada district is a highland area of North Bali with rows of hills surrounding it. From the entrance counter, visitors will walk about 15 to 30 minutes along the path of approximately 2 kilometers. The trip will be quite tiring because the access road to the Banyumala waterfalls goes up and down through the forest and clove gardens owned by the local resident. The expanse of lush and green jungle holds its own exoticism. Shady trees, fresh air and birds chirping will accompany you, so you will never get tired or boring during the trip. During the trip, visitors will also pass through several steps made up of soil and wood. The faint sound of gurgling water will sound louder as you approach the waterfall. And seeing these magnificent waterfalls appear in your eyes will pay off the tire during the walk. The plants that spread like a waterfall is divided into 3 parts. The water that fills the pool is very clear and calm. Under the mouth of the 3 waterfalls, there is a large pool that is formed naturally. This circular pool is about 15 meters in diameter. At a certain moment, a rainbow will appear stretching across the pond. Now take a snap at this charming clean waterfall. Even though there are lots of gardens and residential areas surrounded, this waterfall remains beautiful and refreshing. To enter and enjoy the beauty atmosphere of Banyumala waterfall, visitors must pay an entrance ticket first. Surprisingly, the tickets only cost 30,000 rupiah for each person. So, are you curious and aim to explore this beautiful waterfall? Book your ticket at Bali Sundaram Travel, your colorful holiday.